Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amanda Glenn Evans Marsh. Hello, long name, and that's a.gem for short. I'm a real estate agent, your biggest fan, and a counselor at heart. Today we're diving into Little Gems. Part 2, 10 questions to ask your lender. All good things start with a vision. Take one step today in the direction of your vision. Remember, a step is progress, both forwards and backwards. You get credit for moving. Never lose sight of the direction of your dreams, and you're bound to succeed. Question 1. Which type of loan is best for me? Last week we talked all about the different types of loans. We've got conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, jumbo. The list goes on and on. We want to make sure that the product that you're using is what's best for you and your situation. This question will also help you determine the type of lender you're interviewing, a salesperson or a quality advisor. We want you to have an advisor. When you ask what are your options for each type of loan discussed, the lender should tell you the pros and cons in light of your specific situation. Question 2. How much down payment will I need? The old saying that you have to put down 20% to purchase a home, well, that just isn't the case anymore. Today, there's an incredibly wide array of loan products available to you. Did you know that there are specific products that will actually finance up to 100% of the purchase price? Even better, if you qualify, the North Carolina First Home Advantage down payment program is back in full swing. This allows buyers to receive assistance up to 3% of the loan amount to help cover your closing costs. The Best Lenders, aka your very own financial wizard, is there to advise you about which programs meet your needs, current goals, and future plans. If you are planning to purchase a home and move in a few years, some of these programs aren't going to be the best fit. We want to ensure that you're talking through all of your future plans with the lender before making a decision on which type of loan to go with. Question 3. Do I qualify for any down payment assistance programs? Not all lenders offer these programs. I repeat, not all lenders offer these programs. If this is something you're interested in investigating for your purchase, you want to ensure that the lender you partner with has expertise in this area. If they don't, they're still awesome, but they just might not be your person. Question 4. What is my interest rate? Like we discussed in last week's video, this is a very important question to ask your lender. This is going to give you an idea of what it costs to borrow that money for your home purchase. If both lenders you're comparing are offering the same interest rate, but one has a higher APR, otherwise known as the total cost of borrowing that money, the one with the lower APR is the better deal. You guessed it, question 5. What exactly is that APR you're talking about? The APR, or the annual percentage rate, is factoring in the total cost to borrow that money. Here's where you'll discover the term discount points. Points, also known as discount points, lower your interest rate in exchange for paying an upfront fee. Lender credits lower your closing costs in exchange for accepting a higher interest rate. Each point typically lowers the rate by 0.25%, so 1 point would lower a mortgage rate of 6% to 5.75% for the life of the loan. Question 6. Are you going to do a hard pull on my credit today? It's always a good thing to know if the lender is going to perform a hard inquiry. That type of payment history inquiry shows up on your credit report. Lenders need to do this to give you an accurate interest rate quote. When you're shopping more than one lender, you'll want to ensure that these hard credit pulls occur within a short period of time, say within a week or so, to minimize the impact on your credit score. Question 7. Will you charge for an interest rate lock? Ideally, you want the answer to be no here. However, if they do, let's talk through this together and make sure that the fee is reasonable for when you're shopping. Question 8. What will my monthly payment be? This is your golden ticket. This will help you gauge if the pre-approval amount truly fits your budget plan. Sometimes the banks might offer you more than you're actually wanting to spend for your budget. You'll also want to ensure that there is not a prepayment penalty on your loan in case you choose to refinance or pay off your loan early. If you put down less than 20%, you will most likely have mortgage insurance, otherwise known as PMI. Even in the mortgage insurance is lender paid, it probably is a cost that's built into your rate, so we'll want to factor that in too. Question 9. What is my estimated cash to close? If you really want to size up your mortgage lender's value, ask them this question. If you get a chuckle or a groan in response, they may not be your person. Lenders with the knowledge of local and state and national down payment assistance programs, like we talked about before, are great to help you navigate this process. Also, let's say you don't qualify for one of those programs. You want to know this number because you are pre-approved for a certain amount. Great, it's the perfect amount that you wanted to spend on a home. But are you going to be able to have that cash to close on hand to really get the deal done? This is so important. Question 10. How will you keep me informed between contract to close? Y'all, this is huge. You want to ensure that you're comfortable with the lender's communication process, just like you are with your agent. Will you be communicating with them? Do they transfer you to someone else after you sign? Is there a team of folks that you'll be talking to? Will you communicate through an online portal? Make sure that this communication style is what fits your needs. The right lender at the right place at the right time will meet your communication needs, and we're going to get you partnered with the right person. Need someone in your corner? I'm here to be a gem in your life. If all of this seems overwhelming, it's because it's probably not what you do every day. Leave that to me. I've got you covered. My name is Amanda Evans, real estate agent and broker with Central Carolina Real Estate Group. I'm here to help your process from contract to close go as smoothly as possible. Listen, there are going to be speed bumps in any transaction. It's the matter of finding a way to pivot from those to keep you on the right track. If you're interested in buying or selling, give me a call, shoot me a text. My number is 770-653-7370. With offices in Monroe and Marshville, I'm here to help and can travel to you. Looking forward to speaking to you soon and hope it's a great week, y'all.